my friend. Today we're going to make a video of Canva, but I don't know what's it called. But it's like this. Like you make a poster like this, then you put Ramzan is coming in the middle. Then I put an animation of that a boy with the Quran. When it pops out like this, and it pops out from there, it pops out from there, and it pops out from there. So that would be a little difficult, but I don't know how to do it. But I'll try. But if I don't able to do it, I'll just do it with one side. Okay. So let's start doing it. Okay, start recording. Okay, so we're going to open Canva, share, share. Now we are at Canva. Okay, we search uh guys, comment that were you being Rosa or also your child, comment Ramzan. Okay, I have searched Ramadan poster. Oh, wait. Wait a second. I'm going back there. Okay. What? Okay, we're back. Sorry guys, I'm just lagging a little. Okay, so how do you do that again? Okay, I press poster and I press create a blank, I think. Wait, it's loading. So we'll be patient. It's taking super long. Oh my god, I'm just lagging so much. Sorry guys, but you can't see what I'm actually. Oh, there is it. Okay, I wait, it's done loading. And I search for entry limit. I search. Okay guys, I will search a boy holding Quran. Okay, let's search. Okay guys, oops. I'm lagging so bad. Quran. Okay, oops, am I correct? Would you not responding? Okay, let's try ignore it. Okay, and let's do something. Okay, just never mind. Uh, uh anyone? It's really. Okay. I need some help actually. Oh my god, what do I do? Oh, okay, now I just put password search for animate. Wait, yeah, this is the perfect. We're going to put another one. Okay, then I press animate and wait. Yes, we also need that. It's going super well. Okay, I thought that would be difficult. What about those? Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, now let me check how is it good. How is it? Ooh, we can do better than that. Okay, now I search for uh uh oops GT doing uh namaz enter. Looks good. It's a little and I press animate. Okay, I search and I press uh the text. Then I put a heading. Okay, wait. From uh, from is here. Here. I think I'm doing incorrect. Oh, there's it. Then I put an exclamation mark. Oops. Okay, guys, so look at this. So now I'm done. So look at what I did. Let's press preview. One story preview. Yeah, it looks so. Okay, guys, this was. I had lots of fun. I had lots of fun there. You editor? So, guys, now we had lots of fun. Bye bye, guys.